I want to show in a little bit more detail our situation, the way our septic tank is set up, and the problems we've had before we use the Accelerator liquid by Dr. Pooper. They sent this for our review, and ever since we started using it roughly 5 or 6 months ago, it's changed everything about our septic. This is our main out, and you could see how, unconventional this is. Of course, we lost, during one of the storms, we lost the top. Usually, I would take this out and the smell would be atrocious. It would be really, really hard to be around. And we have some outs right here, all the way here, and it goes all the way inside within the house, of course. We've used this once a month and just an ounce, and really so simple to do it. You just press it in, and as I'm sure you've seen before, it gives you the perfect ounce, and then you just put it down into your toilet, flush, and that's it. There's no more funny business, there's no more fishing, no more trying to unclog your pipes or your septic. This changes everything in terms of unclogging your septic, but also making it smell a lot better. Some days we wouldn't even be able to be out here because the smell was so bad. And now this is perfect, even in a super, super hot kind of season. There's zero problems with this, and we are so thankful for Dr. Pooper.